Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Yeah, man. Today, guys. Today, we're there with Mavado and Kartel. Yes, Kartel and Mavado with Hype Life there. One of our God and Time album. I did say I was gonna forward and do them one by one when I have the time. So to them, you have the time for the Hype Life. Yes, Hype Life. I see a lot of people that say, yo, them disappointed and this them did expect from Kartel and Mavado after so many years. And where for no collab there? Where for no collab there? Where for no collab there? We don't know you, we don't know you. Yeah, we don't know your blood clot. Yo, want to tell me which one for react to next? I'm going to jump in the one and see what I did, yeah, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. Yo! Get it!
Yo. Yeah, world boss program. From Portmore.
Obviously, me do that one here in the live reaction, which I'm gonna pin at the end of this. Yes, I done a live reaction on the album, so if you don't see it yet, go check out it.
Gully. Money and girl man love.
Alright. On hear the little thing I play in the background. That is a UK drill beat. Beat. That's actually a UK drill beat. So there's one thing that I noticed when I was doing the live reaction album. But let's get to it.
Safe sex, no condom. Enough of them girl, we water you down.
Money and girls, man love. Me ambition, I like dogs. From foreign to yard. Man papers, broad.
Yeah. So I'm tell you, say, yo, make sure you practice safe sex. You practice safe sex because them girl, we water you down. Yes, tell me water you down. Then we give up.
Come in a foreign.
In a baggy. Going in a baggy. Yes. So Mavado forward and I tell it, say, yo, thing loud, the thing loud, and I just Jamaica load in a broad too. Yeah, make a jump like.
Hey. Man, I was like me name Jesus. Hey. Bad man want crucify me like Jesus. Ay.
Man, I also like me name Bezos. Man, I also like Jeff Bezos. Bad man want crucify me like a we name Jesus. What
Hey. Follow the leaders. Man, stamp them name on the ground like Nike and Adidas.
Yeah, man, what I say? Hey. Follow the leaders. Not the leader, no. Leaders. Yes, the leaders. Man, stamp them name on the ground like Nike and Adidas. What a comparison. To giant brand. Two of the biggest brands. Giants, yeah.
One life, 1 million bitches, one wife, keep stacking riches, that's right. Louis V, me a beat, not Nike affiliate, chill.
Kids stacking riches, a real thing. Can you see, him son them a do it, little vibes and little lad, big up on yourself. You see me? You see them a do it. So him a tell you, say, yo, the kids them a stack riches. You see me? Yeah. Then him say, yo, wait.
One wife, keep stacking riches, that's right. Louis V, me a beat, not Nike affiliate, chill.
Louis V me a beat, not Nike affiliator. Him not disrespect Nike, they say no. Him not disrespect Nike. Him just say, yo, Nike affiliator. But right now, I feel Louis V time. You see me? Yeah.
Range Rover. GLE to Range Rover. Call that Hype Life.
Yeah, call it Hype Life. From GLE Benz to Range Rover. From GLE Benz to Land Rover Range Rover. They say it there. Call it Hype Life. Yeah, too hype car, too bad car, too big car.
Well, I must know a gal, but you want to see me broke. The bank account till like choke. Yeah, me dog give them a money walk. Yeah, me never see a ego with talk.
Blood clot. I must know your girl. You want to see me broke. Boy, you want to see him broke. You can't see him broke back again. You can't see him broke back again. From them broke life there to when they know, you can't see that. Oh, only broke him a broke. I know your girl pussy. I know your girl. Know that.
The bank account till like choke. Yeah, me dog give them a money walk. Yeah, me never see a ego with talk.
Man said the bank account tilt like chalk. Alright.
But the private jet gone up. When I reach a might in there for.
Alright. This is what I forgot to mention. Listen when Vado step in and start do film verse. It sound the beat change. From when time Kartel forward black. Listen.
That Hype Life.
Listen, this about
that Hype Life.
Ready?
Well, I must know a gal, but you want to see me broke. The bank account till like choke. Yeah, me dog give them a money walk. Yeah, me never see a ego with talk.
Let's hear that? That's the UK drill. That's the UK drill beat. Yeah, the UK drill beat. And further down in the song, Kartel big up Brixton and 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Walla South. Yeah, if you know, you know. Yeah, if you know, you know. Yeah, man.
But the private jet gone up. When I reach a might in there fuck. Broke life make it kill as them dark. More papers make it place light up.
Man said broke life make it kill them dark. More money, make it place light up. Basically, man say right so. Yeah?
Hey, gotta make my money, gotta make my hair up. God knows I need my hair up.
Yo, the chorus about your fuck. That chorus about your fuck. Mavado with his infamous sweet melodic voice is on the chorus. Gotta make the money, gotta make my hair up. Yeah, catchy.
And there will never be another me or another you, millionaires from the ghetto.
There will never be another me or another you. So there's only one Kartel, one Mavado. Big up the rest of youth them, but I just one Kartel and one Mavado. Get a youth, motivation. Uno can be just one or uno two. Just like how the G them do it. Uno can do it too, yeah.
Gotta make my money, gotta make my hair up. God knows I need my hair up. And there will never be another me or another you.
Yeah, him say it again. He can never be another me or another you. Millionaires from the ghetto. Millionaires!
Millionaires from the ghetto.
Represent for the thugs, them where they are UK. Real gangster, we not itch, we not stray.
Yeah, the beat change back again. Yeah, anytime Vado touch the beat, it change back. So he must say, he must represent for the youth, them where they are UK. Real bad man them, real G them when I switch, not yet.
Where they are UK.
Yeah.
Real gangster, we not itch, we not stray. This is not the alphabet when we say rise. Hey. Coming Farid.
This is not the alphabet when we say rise. They didn't say that part there. K mean AK. And not the alphabet we are talking to say, yo, rise the K. Yeah, know that.
Link me round a Brixton, 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Link me on a Brixton, 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. We got the whole of South, like I said earlier on. Yeah, man. We got the whole of South. Whole of South.
G, me not in the mix. Make money fast and 9.6. Psychiatrist, man, mad with the money. Real crime boss like 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Make money fast than 9.6. Whose record is 9.6? Usain Bolt. Make money faster than Usain Bolt record, brother. Yeah, and so fast we are making money. Yeah, man.
Anyway, you see the Gaza and the Gully, yo, show out the 𝐬𝐿𝐼 straight business.
Anyway, you see the Gaza and the Gully, show out your mullah, show out your money, show out your bang bang, show out your green, show out your cabbage, show out your cheese, show out the bag. Cause I'm straight business we are dealing with. Yeah, man, I'm straight business we are dealing with, yeah.
Fuck around when you have my bread, don't send no crumbs, don't send no chips.
Don't fuck around when you have my bread. Don't send no crumbs, don't send no chips. No send a little bit of flame. Send the whole of the money. Come, we don't know you, we don't know you, we don't know you. We don't know you. Yeah, send more money come.
And them girls, on the ends, fully paid, G-Wagon Benz. Be a pretty girl pass through, run some pussy and run some head.
Oh, buckler, fully paid. Fully paid, be a hot girl, be a pretty girl pass through. What them pass through and come do? Run some pussy and run some brains. A good girl then, them have good brains. Run some brains, mama. Yeah.
Some boy well wants to be there. Woof, woof, woof. And them departed.
Buckler. Some boy well wants to be dead. Woof, woof, woof. And them departed. Yeah, take a flight. Them departure. Them not in this world anymore.
Who want come test me? Man skiller than Lionel Messi.
Who want come test me? Man skiller than Lionel Messi. Man skiller than Messi.
Gotta make my money, gotta make my hair up. God knows I need my hair up.
When you listen to the beat, like me say, you can hear the drill in it.
And there will never be another me or another you, millionaires from the ghetto.
We got the production for that one. The beat bad.
Gotta make my money, gotta make my hair up. God knows I need my hair up. And they
Vado make the chorus so repetitive. It's so catchy. Vado, I like this song. I don't know how people have said them not like it. I don't know. Maybe they're not fan of the music. They are just fan of a certain artist. I don't know.
Will never be another me or another you, millionaires from the ghetto.
Money and girl man love. Money and girl man love.
Yeah, that a money and girl man love. Yeah, money and girl. We don't love nothing else, boy. We don't love nothing else, boy. Know that.
Safe sex, no condom. Enough of them gal that we water you down.
Money and girls, man, love. Me ambition, I like dogs. From foreign to yard, man, papers broad.
Yeah, man. From foreign to yard, man, papers broad. Big up, yeah, man. Big up your Gully God and big up Bumbleclaw teacher. I don't know how some people said they don't love that song. That song is motivation, bro. Like, money and girl, bro. Like, motivate. This is a motivation song. So, what do you want? I don't understand about that. I don't understand. I don't know. But I know what about in the comment section. I'll be down there. Yeah, I'll be down there. And tell me which song for the next. Alright? Catch you next one.